لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله عليه صلاة الله وآله والأحبة. لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله عليه صلاة الله وآله والأحبة. Shine your mercy like the sun and be gracious as the earth. Let your kindness come like rain that cares not whom it falls upon. And let ocean deep your wisdom be, your heart a lantern spreading peace. Give yourself in love of him, be like Al-Habib. And in your deepest need and in your deepest grief, call on him in humility. Place your trust in the one to whom creation turns. You'll find redemption and find peace. La ilaha illallah Muhammadun Rasulullah alayhi salatullah wa alihi wal ahibba. Be a blazing fire of truth, be a soothing balm of peace. With the light of your sincerity, break the clouds of tyranny. Let your faith be like a blessed tree, give your shade to all who seek. May your roots run true and deep, take your strength from Al-Habib. Ya Nabi salam alaik, Ya Rasul salam alaik, Ya Habib salam alaik. Salawatullah